All right, today I'm back to give you guys another video. Today we're gonna be doing a quick review of the Snore Circle. Now this one hasn't came out yet. It's launching soon. It's on Indiegogo. I'm gonna leave links below so you guys can check it out. Now this one is a device. You know, if you have like a snoring problem, or if you have sleep apnea, or you just want to have a nice comfortable sleep, this is a device you might want to try. Now the device uses, let me show you right here, it features a HEMT technology which enables gas humidification without the need for water or electricity. So you know, the device itself is very compact. All you do is just turn it on. It does have Bluetooth. We're gonna get more into that, but it's very silent and very user friendly and easy to use. I was able to use it very quickly, and I do want to show you that they do have an app so you can track the stuff, but I wasn't able to use the app. I tried connecting with different devices, and maybe it's still not up yet as the device hasn't came out yet, but the app would not find my device. So that being said, again, it does launch soon, but I do want to show you that's how you pretty much connected. Let me show you again. As you can see, that's how you connect it to your to yourself, and that's how you sleep pretty much. It's very comfortable. It looks a little bit weird, and when I first used it and I saw it taking it out of the box, I did feel like, whoa, this is kind of too much, kind of putting it on your face. But as I used it, it was very comfortable, and I'm gonna show you right now everything that comes with it. But at first glance, I thought it was pretty cool. So is it worth the money though? Let's find out. Okay, you gotta make sure you connect it. There is a power adapter that connects to this. So once you connect it, as you can see, you'll see a blue light. That's for the Bluetooth, and then you'll see a green light. You press the button and it's gonna turn white, as you can see there, and then you will start getting some air. So once you get the air, you put it on your face, and it just feels really relaxing. You could sleep really well. I was able to sleep really good. I think I'm very happy using this device. If you have sleep apnea, or you snore a lot, or you just want to have a nice relaxing sleep, you should try this. I was very happy using this device, and it's very comfortable. You might not feel like it feels like it's a lot of stuff here, but it is very comfortable, and I was just able to breathe nicely with this device, and the air feels really good, and it's just relaxing. I was impressed by this device. So for everything that we even get a nice little bag that says Snore Circle, so you can put it in there and travel with it or whatever. For all the features that come with it and all the stuff, I'm gonna give them thumbs up. Now let's move on. Okay, so what are my final thoughts? So in the beginning of the video, I asked you guys, is it worth the money? Now, even though the device hasn't came out yet, and it's still on Indiegogo. I'm gonna leave links below so you guys can go check that out and get more information. You should sign up if you really are into this device, so you can get more information and also the price. But in my opinion, if you're looking for a device like that, something that is gonna let you sleep, is gonna let you breathe better. In my opinion, I was able to breathe better while I slept, and it just relaxed me, felt good. And the device itself, it felt fine. I was able to sleep and different positions, and you know, it didn't bother me or anything like that. At first, the whole connection and everything was kind of weird because, you know, just looking at pictures, you kind of look something, you know, it looks like too much is going on in your head and stuff. But after I put it together, I put it on, it was very comfortable. I didn't have a problem with it. And again, I felt relaxed when I connected it. And, you know, you see, as you can hear that, all that is the air that it throws out. And it's just very nice, breathable air that feels good when you breathe it. Device feels very well built. Again, you get everything you need, and you even get a nice little carrying bag that says the Snore Circle product's name. So I am gonna recommend it if you're looking for something like this. I think it's a very well built device that works good. I wish that the Bluetooth worked for me. I'm gonna wait till the actual item launches so I can retry the app. I tried using my S23 Ultra, and I also tried using my S8 tablet. They're all Samsung products, and they just didn't work. They couldn't find the device. But again, maybe the app is still not completely working as the device hasn't launched. That being said, just using it by itself, it worked well, and I was very happy to use it. Again, if you're interested, I'm gonna leave links below so you guys can go check it out. But I'm gonna give this device a thumbs up. And that was my video. Check out all my videos, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.